fires burned, a forge alive, a fate unturned. There lived a smith with hands like stone, his hammer heavy, heart alone. One dusk a stranger cloaked in red, with eyes like embers softly said, "Three gifts I offer, choose with care, for power comes with weight to bear." The smith replied with quiet breath, "Let none lift my hammer till my will says. Let none rise from my old chair seat, bound fast until I grant release. And let my purse, when hands dare touch, hold them prisoner chained as such." The stranger smiled, a knowing grin, and vanished swift. The pact begins. First test, the devil came, claiming debts in fire and flame. "Your soul is mine, the time is due." The smith said, "Try to lift this too." The hammer caught the devil's hand. He struggled hard but could not stand. He bargained long, his fury thin. "A year to live, let me begin." The smith nodded cold and sly, and watched the devil's curse deny. Again the devil came to claim, with cutting smile a cruise denied. "Rest a while," the smith did say, "sit in my chair if you dare stay." The devil sank with prideful glee, but found himself a captive sea. The chair held fast, no rise allowed, till devil swore a softer vow.